Hey guys, all right, Isaiah, it's been a few months now since he's had a haircut. We're stuck inside, so we're gonna have this as a family affair. I'm sorry, I hope that we do okay. But we're gonna use the Conair Ultimate Grip Clipper today, and let's see how this goes, bud. Would you prefer me or Dad to cut?
I mean, you can be there.
Okay, probably let Dad do some of it, and then I can join in on some of it too.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna start with a 6 on this, and just so we have plenty of room for corrections, because you can't put hair back on, right? Here we go. Oh, that's a lot of hair. These are a lot nicer than any clippers I ever used.
Didn't you cut hair in the Coast Guard?
I did.
I imagine they didn't have.
No, they didn't have the
nice
the no-slip grip on them. I can tell you that.
It seems like it's going well. I can't see anything that he's doing back there. Normally when you're at the barbershop, you get a mirror and, you know, at least you can watch their face when they're cutting your hair.
It's going great. Mom, you getting a turn?
Yeah, this is fun. I've never cut anybody's hair in my whole life.
You handed her the clippers and I started breathing a little heavy. Like it gave me anxiety.
Bangs!
Gosh, I'm gonna look like Matilda.
I want to clean up this side a little bit.
Yeah?
So I'm going to go with the 7. Just kind of...
Just to get the extra
Just kind of stab at it, you know? This is the part when you don't want to go, whoops. So what do you think?
I think it turned out so good.
I really like it. I'm surprised that it's this good, I'm gonna be honest.
See, you have no trust.
Yeah, I don't, but it was good. So
Glad you like it.
Yeah.
I think the biggest tip would be...
Probably start with a bigger guard. It's easier to go down than it is to bring your hair back and go back up, you know?
Play it safe and stay safe.